T-Mobile 5G gateway disconnections are common, especially in rural areas with weaker signals. These disconnects often stem from the gateway switching between 5G bands like N71 and N41 in search of a better connection. The quick fixes include optimizing placement and manually locking your gateway to a specific band. First, ensure your gateway has a clear line of sight to the T-Mobile tower, ideally elevated near a window or in the attic, away from obstructions like metal or thick walls. This improves signal strength, with RSSI ideally above many 70 dBm and CyanR above 10 to 15 dB. Use your gateway's admin panel, usually accessible via a web browser, to access advanced settings. Band locking prevents the gateway from automatically hopping between bands, which often triggers disconnections. Log into your T-Mobile gateway's admin panel. The exact steps vary by model, Arcadian KVD21, Nokia FastMile TG789HVN, but look for settings related to cellular or 5G. Within those settings, find options to manually select or lock to a specific band, N71 or N41. Experiment with both bands. N71 offers wider coverage but slower speeds, while N41 provides better speed but less range. If you have persistent issues, consider using LTE-only mode. Other advanced tips include keeping your gateway's firmware updated, using an Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, and power cycling or factory resetting the gateway as a last resort. A signal booster can also help in very weak signal areas.